guys and girls. Well, I'm pleased to bring you the Henry Margu 2020 Spring Style Natalie. This is an updated beach wave bob that has a full monofilament top and a temple-to-temple lace front. It has an overall length of 14 inches and these very nice long bangs in the front. Well, let's take a closer look at the cap construction. Natalie's wig cap has this beautiful translucent lace front that's temple to temple. You have this non-slip seam before the single layer monofilament top. On either side, you have these felt covered adjustable ear tabs. The sides and the back are open wefted for air circulation and scalp coolness. The extended nape is also felt covered for comfort. You have these wonderful Velcro adjustable straps on either side, which allow you to adjust the circumference of the wig cap up to ½ inch. Natalie's cap size is average, which fits a head measuring 22 inches in circumference, exactly my head size. And I must tell you, this cap is tight on my head right out of the box. Now the Velcro adjusters, I actually loosen those so they're not even engaged, and it's still quite snug on my head. So this style is not good for someone with a larger than average head size. In fact, I would recommend it for someone who is a petite or petite average or average. Now the cap does not have permatease, so it lays rather flat at the top. I like that personally, but it all depends on taste as to whether that would be suitable for you. The fiber is very soft to the touch. Now it's got waves that are mostly midway to the style and then down to the tips. As you can see, it's quite smooth and just straight here at the top. And it also seems to graduate from the front to the back, with the back being thicker and more wavy. The lace front is beautifully done, temple to temple. Now you may notice that if you wear the hair back off the face, you may be able to see a little bit of the cap right here, just something to keep in mind. I don't know if every Natalie style is that way or if it's just this particular wig. The 100% hand-tied monofilament top gives you beautiful parting space. Look at that, how natural that is. And since it's a full mono top, you can part this wig right, center, or left, whatever your heart desires. Well, let's take a look at this style from all sides. The front, left side, the back, has a lot of density, very full and voluminous, natural movement. Right side. The measurements for Natalie are 10¼ here at the bang. The sides are 7.9 to 9.5 inches long. The nape is 6 inches in length for an overall length of 14 inches. The weight is 4.05 ounces, so that speaks to all of the density and volume of this style. The color is color 82726 GR. This is a rooted color, beautiful brunette shade. You have medium brown with strawberry and gold blonde highlights and a medium dark brown root. Well, let's take a look at this color outside in natural light. The full monofilament top gives you unlimited parting options. I already have the wig parted sort of to the left. Let's part it straight down the middle. I love how easy the fiber is to work with. It parts effortlessly. Here's what it looks like, parted down the center. And now let's part it to the right. You can always use a little steam to make the fibers go in the direction that you would like. However, keep in mind, this is not a heat-friendly wig. You cannot use heat on this style. Here it is, parted to the right. And look at this parting space. Very natural looking. Now, of course, with the lace front, you can certainly clip it back off of the forehead, and you can even use a headband of some sort to wear it back off the forehead if you like. A pretty look. You have enough length that you certainly could wear this in a low ponytail. Could pull it back and secure it. You can also pull the length back and secure it in an updo for a formal occasion, or leave a little bit of the side fringe in the front for just a very romantic, pretty style. And you can tease the fibers to create a little bit more volume. Even just finger combing can help create some volume with this style. If you're interested in purchasing Natalie, I highly recommend the website pinkeepromise.com. They carry Natalie in all of the beautiful Henry Margu salon colors. They have great customer service and free shipping. When you get to the home page, scroll down to the bottom, sign up for the mailing list. You'll immediately receive a 30% off discount code, good on your first purchase. Plus, you'll receive email alerts about wig brand releases and fantastic sales. Now, if you have questions about this style or the color, I'm more than happy to answer. Please leave those in the comments section below. If you wear Natalie, we would love to hear your experience with this wig. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, as I will have more wig reviews, wig style comparisons, color spotlights, and color comparisons coming up in the future. Subscribing is free, and you'll receive an alert every time I post a new video. Well, thank you so much for watching.